Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making another batch of my oatmeal honey soap. It's fragranced with the oatmeal milk and honey fragrance from BeScented, and it's a lovely fragrance to work with. It's really mild when it cures. Everyone loves it. It's pretty much unisex. Kids like it, guys like it, women like it. It's a bestseller for me. And so what I do with my soap, there I am, I'm adding in the lye water. I just add in some whole pieces of oatmeal. And it's important to use the old-fashioned type of oatmeal because if you use the instant, it will turn to mush. So just make sure you grab the old-fashioned oats, and then they tend to hold up through the saponification process. But, excuse me, I don't do any color with this. The fragrance naturally kind of discolors to like a light tan. So I don't add any other fragrance to it. It's just more of a simple soap or fragrance. I meant color. I just kind of let the soap discolor a little bit, adding in my oats. And you just want to make sure that your batter is a little bit thicker. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too runny. You want the oats to be fully suspended in the soap. And that's about it. Super simple soap to make. Fragrance behaves fantastic. And for those of you who do buy from BeScented, this fragrance you can get 15 ounces, which is, kind of the equivalent of a pound. It's a super light fragrance, so they can't always get 16 ounces in the 16-ounce jar. But I think for 2 more days, this fragrance is on sale for 10 bucks, so it's a great deal. If you are looking to place an order, add this one to your order. It's great in candles, bath bombs. It doesn't really discolor the bath bombs, but it's a fantastic fragrance. And I love this one because I use the shrink wrap to get the little honeycomb effect. And all my customers, oh, how do you do that? And I always kind of tease them and say, I use a pencil eraser and I, individually indent every little roll, every little hole. And I think sometimes people kind of think I'm serious, and I think they think I'm full of it, but they don't really know how to respond to it. So anyway, I just cut down the bubble wrap to size and place it on top. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. All right, and I've got this soap. This is about 24 hours later. Pops right out of the molds. This one, it takes a little bit longer to cut. It doesn't cut quite as through because you've got all the oatmeal pieces in it, but it's easy. It still cuts very simply. I'm not going to show you every single piece of soap because they're all identical, but you can see, and you do get the marks from the wire cutters. They don't bother me at all. And this soap will discolor a little bit after. This is not going to be the final color. It darkens up a little bit, but you can just see very uniform. And then I'll show you the top up close of just what the shrink wrap does. I'm sorry, bubble wrap, not shrink wrap. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.